Let us see inorganic chemistry JEE advanced question. First we will see the question. Which of the following pair of compounds cannot exist together in aqueous solution? First option we will see. First option we will take. In the first option, what is given in the sense NaH2PO4. It is called sodium dihydrogen phosphate. It is dissolved in water. It ionizes as Na plus aqueous and H2PO4 minus aqueous. H2PO4 minus aqueous. This H2PO4 minus on dissociation gives H plus ions and HPO4 2 minus ion. HPO4 2 minus ion. This H2PO4 minus gives H plus, therefore it is acidic. It is acidic, therefore this salt is called a acidic salt. This salt is acidic salt. In the first option, second compound given, second compound is Na2HPO4. Na2HPO4. This on dissolving in water gives ions. The ions are cation sodium ions and anion HPO4 2 minus ion. HPO4 2 minus ion. HPO4 2 minus ion on ionization gives H plus and PO4 3 minus ion. PO4 3 minus ion. Now HPO4 2 minus gives H plus, therefore it is acidic in nature. So this salt is acidic salt. This salt is acidic salt. So in first option, both compounds are acidic compounds. So both compounds on mixing exist together. They exist together. There won't be any chemical reaction in the first option. They are existing together. Okay. Now second compound, second option we'll see. In the second option, what is given in the sense sodium carbonate? Sodium carbonate on dissolving in water gives aqueous solution. In the aqueous solution that exists in the form of ions, ions are sodium ions and carbonate ion. Now, if you see this carbonate ion cannot give H plus because it is not having. So this is a normal salt. It is normal salt. In the second option, another compound given, what is that in the sense sodium bicarbonate? Sodium bicarbonate aqueous on ionization gives sodium ion and bicarbonate ion. Sodium ion and bicarbonate ion. Bicarbonate on further dissociation gives H plus aqueous and carbonate ion CO3 2 minus. CO3 2 minus aqueous. Bicarbonate gives as H plus, therefore it is acidic in nature. So this salt is called a acidic salt. It is called acidic salt. Now in the B option, sodium carbonate is salt, sodium bicarbonate is acidic salt. There won't be any chemical reaction here. So they are existing together. So B option exists together. B option can exist together, we can say. Okay. Next we will see C option. In the C option, what is given in the sense sodium hydroxide? Sodium hydroxide is given. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base. Now, in the C option, what is another compound given? That we will see. In the C option, what is another compound in the sense disodium hydrogen phosphate? Disodium hydrogen phosphate given. In the C option, another compound is disodium hydrogen phosphate. This disodium hydrogen phosphate on ionization gives sodium ions and HPO4 2 minus ion. HPO4 2 minus ion. This HPO4 2 minus ion on further dissociation can donate H plus ions and anion is PO4 3 minus. Now since it is giving H plus, it is acidic in nature, therefore this salt is acidic salt. This salt is acidic salt. Now in the C option, see the mixture. One is what means sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a base and another one is disodium hydrogen phosphate. Disodium hydrogen phosphate is a acidic salt. Therefore, acid base reaction takes place. We are getting what in the sense salt and water. We are getting salt and water. So here what reaction takes place in the sense neutralization reaction takes place. Therefore, this mixture cannot exist together. This mixture cannot exist together because they are undergoing reaction. So C option cannot exist together, we are saying. Okay. Now we will see D option. This C option cannot exist together. Therefore, we can say C option is a answer for this question, and we will check out D option. In D option, what is given means sodium bicarbonate and sodium hydroxide given. Sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate, we have seen sodium bicarbonate as acidic salt. Sodium bicarbonate we have seen as acidic salt. And sodium hydroxide, you know that that is strong base. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base that you know. Now, on mixing these two, what happens means The sodium bicarbonate, since it is having acidic nature, it is reacting with the sodium hydroxide base and gives what means sodium carbonate and water. So here sodium bicarbonate is acidic in nature, sodium hydroxide is base. Both on mixing, what happens means a neutralization reaction takes place. Since a neutralization reaction, they cannot exist together. Therefore, this mixture cannot exist together, we can say. This mixture is not existing together. Why? Because one is acid, another one is base, therefore cannot exist together. So this option also answer for this question. So this mixture also cannot exist together.